Now example 2, f of x बराबर pi minus x, लिमिट का 0 less than x less than pi, express the sine series, right? Sine series કરવાનું છે આપણે. That means we have to find only bn, right? f of x બરાબર શું છે? summation n બરાબર 1 થી infinite bn sin nx, because of here pi, here period is 2 pi, so L is pi, n pi x upon L, L becomes pi cancel, that means only nx, right? The formula તમને કીધું હતું. Now find out only bn, so what is 2 by pi 0 થી pi, right? f of x, that means pi minus x sin nx into dx. Now do integrations. Pi minus x as it is, sin nx to minus cos nx upon n, minus here minus 1 differentiations, pi to 0 x to 1, again minus sin as it is, cos to sin nx upon n, and here again n, that means n square, limit છે આપણી 0 થી pi, right? લિમિટ એપ્લાય કરીએ. 2 by pi sin n pi 0 sin 0 0, so we apply only here sin, and here pi minus pi 0, that means only we have to apply 0, but lower limit, that means minus 10 apply કરવું પડશે. lower limit minus minus plus, that means pi minus 0 pi, right? cos 0 એટલે 1, that is 1 by n, right? pi cancel, so 2 by n, or bn is 2 by n, right? તો અહીં એપ્લાય કરી દઈએ. bn બરાબર 2 by n, so n બરાબર 1 થી infinite 2 by n sin nx, right? This is our final answer. Okay, 2 by x. Okay. Now example 3, f of x બરાબર x, લિમિટ આપણે આપેલી 0 less than x less than l, and period આપેલો છે આપણે 2l, right? Find cosine series, right? So bn goes to 0, and what is our al? 2l બરાબર 2 capital L, that's why small l બરાબર capital L, right? Our limit is capital L, right? So our answer is that f of x બરાબર a0 by 2 summation n બરાબર 1 થી infinite cos અહીંયા an cos n pi x upon capital L, right? Okay, now find a0. a0 નો ફોર્મ્યુલા 2 by L 0 થી L, f of x એટલે x dx, right? Now 2 by L, x નું શું થશે? x square by 2, limit 0 થી l, that's why 2 by l, l square by 2, right? 0 મૂકશો એટલે શું આવશે? 0, 2 cancel, single l cancel, that means answer is a0 બરાબર l, એ મૂકી દઈએ a0 બરાબર l, right? Now find out an, right? Second condition, an અહીંયા આવશે 2 by l 0 થી l, f of x એટલે x, so આવશે cos n pi x upon l into dx, right? Now integrations 2 by l, x as it is, cos to sin n pi x upon l into l upon n pi, right? અહીંયા શું છેદમાં આવશે n pi by l, તો ઉપર જશે, right? Again minus x to differentiation 1, sin nu minus cos n pi x upon l, અહીંયા આવશે l square n square pi square, લિમિટ છે આપણી 0 થી l, right? Now લિમિટ એપ્લાય કરીએ. અહીંયા તમે 0 મૂકશો તો 0 થઈ જશે, as well as l મૂકશો તો શું આવશે? sin n pi, sin pi ની વેલ્યુ 0, so we focus only these terms, right? minus minus plus, यहाँ पर a મૂકીએ તો શું આવશે? cos n pi, first of all l square n square pi square common, અંદર આવશે cos n pi, right? Lower term minus 0 એટલે 1 upon cos 0 એટલે 1, right? Okay. Now what is our final answer? Final answer is that error cancel, that means 2l by n square pi square, right? 1 cosine pi એટલે minus 1 raised to n minus 1, right? This is our an. Okay, ये मेंशन कर दिया हमने an बराबर 2l by n square pi square, यहाँ से minus 1 raised to n minus 1, right? यहाँ वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया हमने. So our final answer is l by 2 summation n बराबर 1 થી infinite an એટલે 2l by n square pi square minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into cos n pi x upon l, right? This is our final answer, right?